Sorry, I shot this during the daytime in the garage. At least you'll be able to see the difference between the OEM light and the laze fit light. I believe that's what it's called. Laze fit. Super easy install. Remove the screw there, and just pop it out. There's a little clip that holds it in right there. There's the connection. Just make sure you get the right light bulb size. When I originally purchased mine, I didn't realize that these were not LED connections. They are that type of connection. So again, glass fit, and they fit perfectly.